this is stand desk converter laptop. We call it desk converter because this can be used on your existing conventional sitting desk and then use it to stand and work. So you press the lever on the side and it can go up and down. The lowest height is when it is down, it is 32 millimeter height it takes. From there it comes to 400 millimeter. It's near about 40 centimeter or 38 centimeter adjustment range. It can take 10 kg weightlifting capacity, so you can comfortably use on laptop or on monitor or something. And when it comes to the work surface area, this is 796 centimeter this side, and then 560 centimeter this side. So, and we provide 3-year warranty on the gas springs. It's quite sturdy and it's a very sleek design. The aluminum construction, it looks very elegant in terms of the look. So there are companies which has bought 100, 150 number of desks, which they put it on the existing desk and then employees usually use to stand and work. Yeah, thank you so much.